Welcome to Thailand!
Tinbal.
Pinball looks like this one. Natin tour dito na Mega Mall. So, it's 9 p.m. in the morning. We just arrived at Suvarnabhumi Airport, Thailand. Ayan, from Singapore, the layover. So, paglagpas mo ng immigration, after immigration, meron na ditong foreign exchange. Pwede na kayo magpabalik. Sa exit area, meron ding bilihan ng mga SIM card and foreign exchange. This is the fourth floor area ng airport. We'll get the SIM card na in-avail namin via Klook. Gusto nyo siya sa fourth floor ng Suvarnabhumi Airport. Typically. We take our flight via Scoot Airline and yun nga, may layover sa Singapore. But kung AirAsia Airline kayo, doon siya sa DMC Airport or Dongyeon International Airport. So, na-claim na namin ang SIM card sa Klook. Bababa na kami sa second floor, gate 3, kasi nandoon yung pick-up service namin ng Thailand operator partner namin. Bababa na kami. Dito na kami sa second floor. Sana nandyan pa yung here, love. Here. Hello. We'll wait there. Thank you. Representative ng Thailand operator na bearing army. So mag-antay lang daw kami dito for 5 minutes. I-ready niya lang yung pick-up service. Hi! Sawadee ka. Sawadee ka. Yan nga, umalis na yung van. Going to our hotel. We will be staying in our hotel sa Protonam area. 4-star hotel. Stir-fried pork and chicken for me, and stir-fried chicken for This is the lobby of our hotel. At mabango siya. malawak yung area na pag-aantayan. So may mga table dyan na dining table for breakfast. Kasi pag nag-book kayo dito, meron silang buffet breakfast sa package na included sa free and easy package. And second floor siya. Shopping area or shopping center sa baba. Bilihan ng mga damit. And also may mga kainan din and nearby currency exchange. Second floor ito na binila. Our king bed. Mini ref, electric kettle, and water, toilet room. And eto na, nakapagpahinga na kami. And now, walking distance lang yung
Few
hotel
moments
namin
later.
sa Platinum Mall. Pupunta na kami ng Platinum Mall. Ayan, December's Clothing Store. Let's see and check what's inside. Bango ng coffee. So, ganun ba? Pero feeling ko mas ano dito mas mahal siya compared dun sa bab. And now, dito kami sa overpass going to Platinum Mall. We're inside na sa Platinum Mall. Let's see kung anong mabibili. Ganda ng dress. This area, mga bags. Parang Green Hills. Parang Green Hills. Oo. Pero feeling ko same na din sa loob. Ang ganda ng dress. How much?
290 จ้ะ
290.
250
290 and
490 จ้ะ
Next level. Fourth floor. Pang men's. Yan, pang men's yan dito. Pang, pang, pang kids. 120. Parang pang babae. Yan. Daming mga stall pero minsan may mga similar sila na paninda. Pero magkakaiba ng prices. Oh, gloves. Oh, ang cute. Winter gloves. Fifth level. Mga accessories. Mga tingnan natin. Yung mabudol tayo. Ah, mga shoes. Ito nga, accessories.
เชื่อแล้วพี่ทำไมถึงสาเขาหัวเมย์ชิ้นเดียวนี่แหละสาไม่เป็น
And yan, may mga food stall sa labas. So, anong kainin natin? Dami! Oo. Ay, ang ganda. Sarap. Parang sarap. Soy, oh. Almond. Hanggang dito lang yata. Also, ang haba. Napunta na ako ng Platinum Mall. After Platinum Mall, punta na kami ng Central World.
Central World.
Ayan na yung Central World. Tawid lang siya ng overpass from Platinum Mall. Ayan. Yan yung mga katapat niyang building. Sa Market Bangkok. Ito siguro yung market. Akala ko Big BGC, Big C pala. Ayun ang Central World, oh. Tawid lang siya ng from Platinum Mall via overpass. So, andito na kami sa Central World. Ayan, oh, Central World. Pero meron din sila mga food stall dito. Tara, discover natin kung anong meron. Salamat na naman. Ay, universal na coconut milk.
Kainan pala dito. Ano pala?
Ito yung ano ginagawa nilang pang-spicy.
Meron din pala dito, no?
Tapos, so mas okay pala na dito kumain kasi may mga bakanting upuan. Tapos hindi pa siya crowded compared dun sa tapat ng Platinum Mall.
Ano yan?
What's this?
This
Ah,
way.
squid!
Yeah, this way. This way.
Squid! Squid! Ah, fish! Ah, okay. Dried fish na parang...
Testing ka
How
isa.
much?
100.
100.
Fish?
This is fish?
Bili kayo.
To eat?
Yeah.
Oh, really? How about this one?
This original. This is the best price.
Ah, a little bit spicy and this one is original. Wala.
Huwag yung...
Five five. We have one free.
Give,
Five five.
get 5 1 free. So many. So what, original?
Alin?
Original?
Pwede sa'yo. Huwag yung original lang. Huwag yung spicy.
Ito kasi spicy. Ito original
O
na
gusto
lang.
mo ganito lang.
Ay, ayoko niyan. Parang normal lang siya na ano.
Try.
Ah,
This one? This one.
This one, do you have sample?
This one.
No?
Now this one. This is spicy.
Very good.
Food tasting.
This one is the original. This one is spicy.
How much this one? 100 also? This one, spicy?
I like this one.
This one?
Not too much spicy.
This one? Oh.
Spicy pala. No.
Ito lang, mas masarap to.
Yeah, the original.
Mas ito.
How much? So okay.
Kapan ka?
So let's go. Pasukin natin yung Central World. Another budol.
Ano? No.
Lagay mo dito. Sure. Central World. Yan. Quick tour lang inside Central World. Medyo mga high-end pala yung mga store nila dito sa loob. Para siyang SM Mega Mall natin. It's like parang makakompare ko siya na SM Mega Mall natin. And then yung Platinum Mall is para siyang Green Hills natin. At ayan. Madaming mga branded store sa loob.
นั่นเองค่ะ วันนี้บรรยากาศอบอุ่นแล้วก็คึกคักมากๆค่ะที่บริษัท Live Nation t e l ร้องไม่ไหวคนเรียกร้องกันเยอะเหลือเกินค่ะ
Nakahanap ako ng kakampi, ayan no. Para sa gentlewoman. Meron pala dito. Ayan na siya. Sabay lang. Yung BGC nila. Tapos, ayan yung market nila. Tapos, andyan yung katapat, yung Central World. Yan yung SM Mega Mall. The long street food in front of Platinum Mall at night. Pratunam Night Market. Ito yung Bayuki Street Hotel, oh. The tallest hotel in Bangkok. They offer dinner. Dinner lang sa gabi. And we're back sa aming hotel and papakita ko yung mga napamili namin. Yung una, yung t-shirt ni Habi. 150 baht. Ang lambot ng tela. O, sukat mo na. Pa! Pangalawa, yung aking Thailand na tote bag. Ang ganda ng elephant na printed. Ganda, diba? 100 baht. Sa Pratunam Night Market po na namin ito nabili. Nung on our way na pabalik sa aming hotel. Tapos, yung unang pinunta namin kanina sa Platinum Mall, ito talaga yung nabudol sa akin. Ito yung nabili ko na dress. Ang ganda ng tela, parang ayan. Pakita. Ganito. Tsaka below the knee. Yung dali pa lalab. Alam, tingnan mo. Po. Sukat ko muna. Sukat ko muna. Mamaya na. Tapos, bumili ako ng watch. Then, pagbibigyan ako 100 baht sa Platinum Mall. Tapos, pumunta kami ng Central World doon sa food market nila sa labas. Bumili kami ng fish daw to eh. Tapos ito, fish din siya. 100 baht each. At yung nabili ko sa Central World. Gentlewoman. Ito siya.
Ay, meron din pala sa Icon sa yung lab.
Oh, flagship
Medyo
store.
malayo yun, 4.1 kilometer.
Flagship store nga niya yun, lab. Yan. 790. 790 baht. Ito. Yun lang. Sa first day namin. Bukas ulit. Tingnan namin kung anong mabili. Tingnan namin bukas kung anong yung mga mabili namin ulit. Good night. Sawadika! It's our second day today for our 3 days 2 nights itinerary here in Bangkok, and for today we will join the Ting Market, Maeklong Railway, and elephant riding. Pero mas malaki to. And yan ang train. Wow! Welcome to Maeklong Railway. Tinitiklop na nila yung mga cover.
Now you will see that nothing happened. You will see
Nila.
how the train
Very
pass.
fast.
The train is big. Our plan, when the train pass railway, I will take a picture. No? You will see at the middle. Quick. I take a picture. I will talk with the train and the market. Okay, now when the train. After, not before. After. Because some people before, no, accident. Yes. So,
Approaching yung train. Ayan na. Tagal. Ayan na ang train. Ayan na guys. Ayan.
fish, and this is some eel. Eel, small eel. Eel.
Tapos na tayo sa Baeklang Railway. Nadaanan natin yung train. I mean, naabutan natin yung train. Pasok na kami. Mag-elephant ride kami. So here in Thailand, yung elephant, they called it Chang.
Enjoy! Quick!
Elephant riding! Ano yan? Ready ka na.
Nandun sa manok ko. Laki ng manok ko yun.
Dadalhin mo talaga yan.
Oo.
Sige. Okay, we're next. Natatakot siya. Ah! Wala, kailangan niya na po. Pati kami, pati ano. What's the name of the photo market? Diamond Sudwak. Okay. So we're here at floating market. Sit down first. We're here na sa boat. We're going to the floating market. Hi, people over there. Wala tayong tour guide. Nandun kila Tita Irene. dito na park, mga bahay. Yan. Houses sa Indonesia. Along the river. Grabe itong pangalan, Latulak Floating Market. Magkano yun? 2,000 per boat per hour? Mahal din. Okay, dito na siya. Umikot lang tayo dito. So we stopped to buy coconut ice cream. Wow. Sa'yo. Wow. Looks so very yummy. Hello.
Saan tayo ngayon?
Floating market pa rin. Parang tayo na yung sana ng market. Say hi. Okay. Thank you. Market.
Floating market.
The main food
That
market.
you eat, one thing to eat, okay? You can take a picture as well.
Sure. So this is the Sudwak Floating Market. Main market.
Powding boat, floating powding boat, get through the market. Market, you can take video and take a picture.
How much for this? 250 baht. 200. Mga condiments. Going to have our lunch here in Floating Market. So, andito kami sa may McDonald's, Pratunam area, waiting for our service. And nag-book kami via Mobius. Mas mura siya compare sa Grab. Pupunta kami ng Icon Sayang. McDonald's. fishball. Let's try the Thai fishball. Orange juice. Try also their meatball. Meatball looks like fishball. Try the fishball. Sarap na siya. Sarap. Sarap ng sauce. Oh, ang ganda.
Ha?
How much?
15.
15 baht. What's the difference?
Same?
This one egg, this one coconut.
Okay, one, gusto mo rin?
Go. 2.
Two! Gusto mo? Try natin pala ha? Hindi ka? Okay. Two, this one.
Yeah, 5 piece na lang ako para 75 baht.
Try.
Tunahan mo natin ito. Ito na po.
Sarap din, yung nam-nam. Crispy. Thai crispy pancake. Never ending food. Nasaan tayo? Dito kami sa ground floor. Food court area ng Icon Siam Mall.
Yeah, we try this uni. We try this is all mix. This one in here.
Never ending satay. La. Ayun, tayo. Okay. Yan. First floor pa lang to ng Icon Siam. Grabe. Sana ganito rin yung mall natin, no? Ito yung high-end mall nila. Yung Icon Siam.
面包好可吃。
你有点出息，其实人家都是回来拿的时候，你的都拿。
And yun, pinamili namin kanina sa Meklong Railway for our second day in Cebu. Bumili kami ng floating boat na pang-display sa Damnon Sadwak floating market. 100 baht yung isa, pero pag bibili ka ng tatlo, 2 for 150 baht, pero pag bibili ka ng tatlo, it's only 200 baht. Cute. And then, doon, ito, sa Meklong Railway. Yan, bracelet na may elephant na design. 100 baht. Ang isa, elephant na brooch. And elephant na display. Pero pag bibili ka ng 5, bibigyan ka nila ng isang free. So,